Hello everyone and welcome back to It's Lens Life. In today's video I am going to be doing the kitchen cleaning, which was part of a whole house cleaning. We did it for 4 days after a trip. You can watch all that previous videos to have a continuation, or you're welcome to stick to just this video. I will link it up here anyways. This kitchen cleaning was specific called cleaning. Before getting to that detail, this video I tried a new editing which I would like to include in some of my upcoming videos. Please let me know if you also enjoy this kind of editing, because I lately enjoyed some other videos of this kind of edit. And excuse my voice as I am not well during this voiceover recording. I'm sick for this whole month with really bad lungs. I'm on some heavy treatment. Hope you don't mind this weird voice. So the primary focus on today's cleaning is get the kitchen floor pretty much cleaned up, and I want to clean the bottom cupboard doors and declutter some. Two of the cupboard up and down, make it functional. Stay tuned for some of my personal tips I use on organizing. So if you're new here, my name is Linta. I am an ex-midwife, presently an illustrator and animator, a wife, a boy mom, and more importantly, a homemaker. In this channel, I like to share cleaning, getting all done, declutter, cooking, real life, mom life, work from home life. And if you are looking for such contents, make sure you are subscribed, keep the bell on. This year, my upload method is little different, which you can watch over the update video. And this is the upcoming videos list and dates of upload. Make a note of it and maybe we can do it together. The last video I have asked if you are doing the kitchen cleaning with me today. I hope you are, so let us do it together. This cleaning happened on first day and third day of the whole house cleaning. We gave the third day just for kitchen cleaning and buy groceries and getting ready for the weekend, all those things, etc. So if you're a non-Indian, you may not know about this outfit. Maybe you know, I don't know. This is one common outfit for homemakers, which is called nightie. I brought two during the trip with the intention of using it on heavy cleaning day like today. All the bottom cupboards are with all oily splatters, because all Indian foods has oil splatters, which makes pretty hard to clean. So today I used the usual solution of mine, which is half to 1 cup of Savlon solution and the rest water. Also dishwashing liquid, long hand scrubber, kitchen cloth and sponge to take our all oily dirt on handles of the cupboards. That will be my first tip, which I use this dishwashing liquid to clean all oily dirt, especially with warm water. It cleans up really good. For the floor scrubbing, my hubby also joined because it was his idea and I cannot do it alone. One reason is it's too much muscular work and I have a muscle tear issue, so he took the lead of those. And for floor scrubbing, he brought a long wood scrubber and a small hand scrubber from Builder's Warehouse. Yeah, which really cleaned all the nook and corners, and we have used it with bleach, handy anti-solution and water. It did give a good refreshment for starting the new year.
ഇവിടെ ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരു സ്ലൈഡിംഗ് ഡോർ സ്ലൈഡിംഗ്
This cupboard and bottom cupboard I wanted to declutter. To be frank, I do not enjoy kitchen cupboard decluttering at all. So I keep on pulling this project off for so many months, but finally found little motivation to do so, which is why I am doing only a little bit for now, mainly because this top and bottom cupboard I use a lot for cooking, and I arranged it pretty well. Especially the top shelf, I kept the new, unopened grocery items, which the last whole year made me forget there were some new things there, and I ended up throwing expired items and brought the new things many times. So this year I decided to move the empty bins to the top shelf from all the way bottom shelf, which is my second tip. I always try to use it, make it functional to your needs. Do not try to copy, which includes my video too. Do not copy what I do. Take the motivation, but not as it is. Your kitchen works differently from mine or from anyone. You may be the person who wants matching organizer, then go for it. Arrange everything functional and easy. Another example, like keep the masalas in the cupboard next to the cooking rather than far away, which will make your cooking much faster. Over here you have seen I kept empty containers upside down as my spice rack. I know there is spice rack organizers out in market, which is currently impossible for me to grab one, so I did some DIY. That's another tip I use. There will be always something you can use in your kitchen to make your cupboard look more organized. Another example for that, I would say Nutella containers. I guess you might use it, or some other of such you always buy. Keep that similar looking containers. Use it for storage in kitchen items. It may not give that aesthetic look like what you get from market, but still it will give you a look of same height, same container, and removing the brand labels make it much more beautiful. So if you are going with cost effective way, this would be a great idea. So I hope you also did the kitchen cleaning with me and also enjoyed this video as well. And if you are still on kitchen cleaning, not yet done, maybe a replay the same video or play more cleaning videos. I will link the playlist right here so you can play it and clean your kitchen. And make sure you are subscribed to the channel if you haven't yet. And if you do enjoy this video, you know what to do. Hit that thumbs up. I hope you are having a great day and an excellent blessed week ahead. See you in the next video. Bye.